Jordan has the option of triggering a domestic prosecution over the death of American mother of one Jamey Carney, despite the fact that she was killed in Ireland. The revelation came as Gardaí have thanked the Jordanian authorities for the cooperation and support that they have shown to date for the Garda investigation into the death of the mother of one in County Kerry on July the 6th. Garda Commissioner Justin Kelly has confirmed that 2 senior Garda inspectors travelled to Jordan and liaised with senior Jordanian prosecutors and judicial officials. The cooperation came as the body of the New York-born mother of one was discovered in her Killarney home on July the 7th. Detectives believe that she was fatally assaulted on the evening of July the 6th. Her boyfriend, Jordanian national Ahmad al-Sakr, left Ireland in the hours after Miss Carney's death. He departed Ireland on July the 7th on a flight from Dublin to Istanbul in Turkey. He then made his way back to his native Jordan. However, Mr. al-Sakr was detained within 24 hours of his arrival back into Jordan by its powerful Directorate of Public Security. He has been ordered to be detained pending further hearings. It has now emerged that under Jordan's penal code, a Jordanian citizen can be prosecuted in his own country for an offence that occurred overseas. Under Articles 10 and 16 of the 1960 Penal Code, such a prosecution can only take place if the individual is a Jordanian national and if the alleged offence committed overseas matches an offence under Jordan's Penal Code. Jordan's Penal Code is based on the Middle Eastern country's constitution and Islamic law. It is as yet unclear how long Mr. al-Sakr will be detained in Jordan. Gardaí are expected to complete their murder file into the investigation and have it submitted to the Director of Public Prosecutions by late August or early September. Irish authorities have stressed that the detention in Jordan was at the behest of the Amman authorities. No request for a detention was issued by the Irish authorities, and no warrant is as yet in place as a result of the investigation into Miss Carney's death. The mother of one was originally from Westchester County in New York, but had moved permanently to Ireland in May of 2021. She was buried amid tragic scenes in Killarney last month.